So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, take a look at this movement right here on our EURJPY. You can see that EURJPY is in an option move. We are very much in an option move. Market is very much trending to the upside, right? Now, if you have to zoom it in right here, guys, market was able to push up to form an high, right? This pullback was made that eventually formed an higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that formed an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that formed an higher low. Market then once again push up again to form a new higher high. This is the pullback which has formed an higher low, right? Market has now rallied up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high right here, guys. You can see that market has now pushed up to take out this previous high, right? Now this is an higher low. So market is now currently forming an higher low, which is pullback right here. So market has just pulled back to form an higher low. So with such a movement, you should expect the market to push up one more time to fully take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So whatever you want to be doing right now on your EURJPY, you want to be going for the buy. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on any single update, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So above all, EURJPY should be giving us information. So expect this movement right here. Expect it to push up and take out this high completely. So bullish, that movement should be giving us between about 130 pips. So this is a potential 130 pips movement to grab.